welcome back to the first installment of the series, Deep Frying Things That Aren't Supposed to Be Deep Fried. I guess that's probably what I'm going to call it, because I don't really know what else to call it. Pretty much what we're going to start out with, I'm going to go ahead and plug in my deep fryer here that I just picked up today at a thrift store. Well, I like to consider myself somewhat of a scientist, so we're going to go on a little discovery here in this series. And we're going to see what we're going to be able to deep fry for today. I think we're going to try to do this screwdriver here. Now, I will be the first to admit I'm no expert in deep frying. I've had a deep fryer in the past. I know a basic understanding of how deep frying works. You either have some sort of egg wash or a batter, and then you'll go ahead and either dip this in the egg wash and then roll it in flour, or you'll pre-mix a batter and then you'll just deep fry it from there. I think we're probably going to start with an egg wash, and then if that doesn't work, we'll mix the egg wash and flour to see if a batter would be a lot better for this. And that oil's already getting hot. That is almost boiling right now. It's only been like, what is it, 3 minutes since I plugged it in? Okay, I'm just gonna kind of start rolling that in there. Then we're gonna stick it in the flour. Oh yeah. Seems like it's sticking pretty good. We'll go one more in both. Really get a nice coat on it. But beyond this, whenever it comes to troubleshooting, I'm pretty much just going to be guessing. Yeah, if this doesn't work out, the egg wash and then flour, and we'll just see what to do from there. We'll just try a couple of things. See what works, see what doesn't. I'll be the forefront scientist on deep frying technology. Ooh. I can already hear that crisping and boiling. Frying, I guess, is what they call it. Yeah, that's not looking too bad. We'll give it a little spin here. A little spin-a-rooney. I got my forceps of great protection for my fingers. I've also got my prescription safety glasses, which are just regular glasses. Oh shit. I think we'll wait a couple more seconds here. See if it'll crisp up and get any more brown. But looking good. Looking pretty good so far. I'm going to go ahead and unplug that for now for safety purposes. Oh yeah. Oh. Perfect. Oh yeah. We'll get our second pair of forceps here. Actually, I don't know what these things are called. But you hear that crisp on there? That sounds like fried chicken. That is so good. Oh shit. Let's see if it's cooled down enough. Not bad, not bad. You know, I'm gonna be honest. It feels a little more grippy, and it feels kind of warm. So, I'm gonna say this adds probably like a plus 10 friction stat on the grip and turning power for whenever you go to unscrew screw. So, I call this an absolute win. I think this is a W right here. This deep fried screwdriver, that's something that you should not do at home. However, if you already have one on hand, solid choice. Alright, I think that pretty much concludes this first episode of Will It Deep Fry? Not sure what else I plan on doing. Maybe we might deep fry one of our safety tools here. That might be a good idea. But anyway, till next time, use your proper PPE, your personal protective equipment, like your gloves, gown, and safety glasses, and your your forceps. Till next time.